Have you ever noticed that most flights avoid flying straight across the Pacific Ocean? It's not because they're scared of water. The real reason? Efficiency and safety. Great circle routes, the shortest path between 2 points on a globe, curve over land and near the poles. Plus, flying over land means more emergency landing options if something goes wrong. Also, there's less air traffic control coverage and tricky weather patterns over the Pacific. So, next time you're flying to Asia and you see your plane curve way north, now you know why. Did this blow your mind? Drop your thoughts at the comments. Follow for more aviation facts from a real aircraft mechanic.